With so little inventory available in today's market, all homeowners are saying, I would list my home, but how would I find a home to buy? So in today's video, I'm giving you guys 5 different options that you can consider so that you can find that perfect replacement home and not be stuck in the home that you're currently in because of today's market conditions. Let's go. Option number 1. Consider buying a new construction home instead of chasing the scarce limited inventory that's available today. Now, the main benefits here is that builders are buying down interest rates. The house that you're buying is brand new, so there's no need to make any repairs. And finally, you get to choose your move-in date based on the completion of the construction of the property that you're buying. Option number 2, consider buying your home first, closing on that transaction, and then selling your property. Now, the obvious benefit here is that anytime you're purchasing a property non-contingent, your offers always look stronger in the eyes of the seller. Now, the way that we're going to get this done is by using a bridge loan. Now, a bridge loan is a temporary loan that banks give you so that you can purchase the property that you're going to buy. And then once you sell your home, you pay off that temporary loan that you just used to buy the property you're living in now. Option number 3, consider selling your house first and then maybe renting for a little bit. The beautiful thing about the evolution of today's market is that now we have short-term rentals and mid-term rentals where you can actually stay for an extended period of time but not have to sign a 1-year lease agreement or multiple-year lease agreements like normal long-term tenants do. Option number 4 is that sellers always have the option of buying a property contingent on the sale of their current home. Now, this option is widely used throughout the industry of real estate, and basically what it means is that you, the seller, will not sell your home unless you find a replacement property so you can move into after the sale of yours. Now, the 5th and final option is to consider keeping your home and turning it into a rental. Now, you have many different options here. You can turn your current property into a short-term rental, a mid-term rental, or a long-term rental and collect all kinds of passive income enough to cover your current property and maybe even have enough to cover your next property. So for those of you thinking of selling your property in today's market, these are the 5 best options that you have so that you can sell your property and get into your next replacement home. Let me know what you think of the video in the comments. And if you have any questions about selling your home, give me a call, send me a DM. Let's connect. We'll get you into your next home. Let's go.